Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and I've done 2 videos already on this. I'm doing it manually inside of Corel with 3 different ways, and my Eskimo, my macro internet buddy, must have watched those and sent me, reminding me of his macro called duplicator. And if you wanted to lay out a bunch of squares, shapes, any size you want, doesn't really matter what size you want to do them horizontally and vertically at the same time. You want it to go to the right, you want it to go down. We've got space between each. I have a space of 1/8 of an inch between, and I want 10 across and 10 down. All you have to do is hit this button and voila, you've done that. And there's a lot more, you can do just horizontally, just vertically. You can change a lot of things. It's just incredible. This is a free macro offered by Eskimo, and at the bottom of this video will be a link to his to this video and to his page. It's called Duplicator. It doesn't get any better than this. Every box is already broken up. You can do whatever you want to with it. This would be very helpful in laying out stuff. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.